How to add electronic benefits transfer EBT in Walmart app. Let's get started. Launch your Walmart. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the shop page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Head over to the option of account given at the bottom right corner. Once you're in the account page, at the top right corner, you're gonna find this settings icon. Click on that. With that, you'll be directed to the account settings page. Now navigate to the option of wallet. Over here, you will find different payment methods. Head over to the option of electronic benefits transfer, EBT. Open it. Now from here, you can easily add an EBT card. Provide the details. First up, type in your first name, then type in the last name, then type in the card number. After you provide all the details, click on Save Card, and with that, your card details will be updated. So this way you can easily add electronic benefits transfer EBT in a Walmart app. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.